Got all the fishes. Yes, we're in the bonus. Hey, hit that like and subscribe button, everybody. We're back in this thing at $5.88. Let's go. What's up, everybody? I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the last video where I won my first hand pay of 2023. Hey, I'm speaking this positive energy in all ways and all forms to come my direction. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and let's go for another session here at Winstar World Casino. All right, this is it, people. Let's move. Let's go, 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 go. All right, everybody, again, I'm going to give my baby another chance to show me the money here at 5 Treasures Explosion. This is why I love the game so much. So I really hope y'all showed many of your fellow friends and casino buddies that this game is really dope. All right, so we still have $103 in the machine. I'm going to go back and do some $2.88 bets in hopes we can get a bonus again. We need those 3 doors to drop it on down for your boy. That was such an amazing moment, man. And like I said, you know, I hope I can accomplish winning 3 big grands this year. And if I receive any more, thank you, Lord. That's all I can say. So we are on that mission that is not impossible. Hope everybody got a drink in their hand and is enjoying themselves. Ooh-wee. All right, now we done warmed you up. We done warmed you up. Let me do some $1.88s. Stretch this a little bit. Oh, we got the boat to close, y'all. No mini, no mini. We don't want the mini. We don't want the mini. Of course, at least it's $20 though. All right, we got $20. Let's do some 288s. Uh-oh. Thought them doors was finna drop it on down for your boy. Oh, and I thought it was gonna do it again. All right. Come on, 288. Try to get us in there. Get us a nice line hit. I'll take some birds. I will take some birds. Ooh, that would have been nice to get right back in there because we had a gold door right there too. Ooh. We're missing 2 more. Ooh, we needed some wilds in the middle. Oh, snap. We almost had a full screen of dragons. That would have been incredible. Come on, doors. Come on, drop it down for baby. Drop it down for me, baby. Come on, you keep passing on by. Oh, we missed the gold door, y'all. We almost had it all. We almost had it again. Ooh, slid right by, slid right by. Gold door. I know you got it in you. We needed, well, we got the turtles, but we needed 1 more wild or something to get those tigers all the way across. All right, I'll be right back, baby. All right, everybody, I'm back. I just received my hand pay from the last video. I was waiting on the change to come. So I went ahead and added another 100 to the machine in hopes that we can get these doors to drop it on down for your boy. Ooh, the doors just kept on sliding down. Alrighty, come on, connect, connect, connect. Come on, doors. Hello. Hey, are you a follower?
I'm a subscriber.
Nice to meet you.
I watch your channel, especially when you're here at Winstar.
Yes.
And do you have special permission to do this, or is anybody else?
Oh no, it's not special permission. I believe everybody can do it, but they do have a few rules that you have to follow and abide by. So once you know, as long as that you're following the rules, then you're okay. You're okay. But yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
I'm gonna go back down on that hand.
All right. Well, I'm sending you positive vibes, and I'm hoping that you win and you take this money. Get this money,
too.
okay? Nice to meet you. What's your name again?
Mona.
Mona. Nice to meet you, Mona. All right. You have a good one. Oh, he got the bowl. Oh, and the jackpot upgrade. Go. Ooh, that'd be nice. That'd be okay. That would be perfect. We got the. Can we get something? Can we get something big? Can we get something big? Oh, okay. We got the minor. Not bad. We got the minor for $54. So that puts us back in the beginning of where we started. Yeah, close to $100. All right. So we can get this bonus again, y'all. All right. Uh-oh, we got the birds to line up. Oh, another $54. Perfect, perfect. Now we're a little above our 100. Uh-oh. Oh, that'd have been juicy. Okay, come on. $36. These line pays are hitting right now. We are climbing up the mountain. The rough side of the mountain. Oh, ooh, that would have been beautiful. The gold door bonus is what we all want. I need everybody to comment right now if you're following me right now and watching this video. We want the gold door bonus. Hashtag we want the gold door bonus. I believe it'll come for me. Ah, we needed some more turtles there to get a nice line hit. Uh-oh. Okay, we got a $10 hit there. Come on, turtles. Oh, we needed one more. We got all those right there. Ooh. Oh, he's almost there, y'all. All right, Tiger's trying to do a something. All right, got $8.28 there. I would love a full screen of dragons. Oh, that would be beautiful. Oh, and we got the bowl to close. That was the $9 line hit right there. We want jackpot upgrade and major or grand. Come on. All right, we got the upgrade again, y'all. All right, let's hope we pick something good. Well, at least a double, so we got $25 for that. That still puts us above $100. We are trying to win big money. Oh, that would have been nice if we got the doors to come down. Oh, okay. Almost got all the fishes. Yes, we're in the bonus. Hey, hit that like and subscribe button, everybody. We're back in this thing at $5.88. Let's go. And I'm going to pick the birds. Come on, birds. Line it up for me. Line it up for me, baby. Big money, big money. Oh, snap. Yes, $108 on our first. Beautiful. All right, that's what I'm talking about. We're trying to make money, not break money. Make money. Hashtag make money. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Ah, come on, we want a lot of birds. Lot of birds, lot of birds. 3 more spins left. Ooh, we almost got to re-trigger. Ooh, 1 more spin left. Ah, that was a little dirty, but hey, 134, can't complain. Can't complain. All right, here we go. We are above, we're way above $100 when we first started. I'm gonna do 3 $10 spins and hope we can get something. Uh-oh. And 1 more. All right, back to 588. Uh-oh. Oh, we almost had 5. We almost had it all, y'all. We almost had it all. Oh, that would have been beautiful. And in the gold bonus, that would have been a big payoff just getting in the bonus. Okay, I'll take that $12 hit. Come on, doors, drop it down for me. Drop it down for me. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh, them doors kept on sliding on by. Oh, we needed 1 bonus door right there. Ooh. All right, $12 hit. Oh, we almost got in the gold door bonus. Oh, we needed some wilds. Would have got the dragons all the way across. $6. Oh, all right. I thought the dragon was gonna show up and party with me. All right, $6 there. Oh, we almost got in there. Oh, got $36 for the tigers. But we want the doors. Come on, doors. Okay, the catfish is lining up for me. Ooh, all them doors, y'all. I know y'all saw it. Come on, doors. I know you can come again. Show the people what they want to see. Ooh. Oh, almost. Come on, doors. Show the people what you got. Ooh, we missed the turtle right there. It would have lined up. I definitely would take the birds all the way across. We're looking for you. We're looking for you. Oh, man. Oh, man, we almost got in there. At the gold door. Oh, no, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Give it to me. $18 hit. Oh, no. Okay. All right, and so I'm gonna walk off of this machine and we're gonna find something else. But I hope you enjoyed this session. It was incredible. And we're still up, and we're gonna find something else to play, and hopefully we can get that Monday. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, sending you positive vibes. And go check out some of my other videos if you haven't seen them already. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay tuned for more. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, What It Is, Eric, and I appreciate you watching my video right now. But the fun does not stop here. Right after this video, make sure you go check out many more videos on my channel. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. That is our ultimate goal on this channel. So make sure you tell your friends, your family members, and even your neighbors. We want everybody to know about this channel. We are constantly growing one day at a time, and I appreciate you all for your support. And remember, positive vibes only.